Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Love Nails Nicole. And you guys, I won a contest that I entered on YouTube. I did not think I was gonna win. I was actually even late checking the giveaway winners video, but given that it was like around Christmas time, like the Christmas day or something, so I was kind of busy for those couple of days. I wouldn't have known it if another subscriber was like, congratulations on winning the giveaway. I was like, what, girl? And I had to run over to the channel and look, and sure enough, I seen the video posted and I watched it, and sure enough, I was a winner. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I won in the contest, y'all. And you guys know I recently shared with you guys an item from the same company, from Burano. So the prize, it was one prize from PumpkinsNailStation. That is her channel. I think I started following her on TikTok. We started following each other actually on TikTok. So I then subscribed to her channel after that, and I watch her videos. She does great videos, super nice. Love her accent. She has like an English accent or whatever. I'm not quite sure. And I'm quite sure that my accent probably sounds quite terrible. But she sounds like that, and I love it. But yeah, so this is my prize. I got it super quick because Burano, they sent it to me, and it came through Amazon, so I wasn't even expecting it to get it in like a couple days, so that was great. So I'm opening it now. Okay, so what the kit is a foil glue kit, nail foil glue kit. And I didn't even realize, like, I do remember, but I had completely forgot that I was also gonna get some foil with it. I was thinking that I was only getting one glue. I don't know why, because I watched the video, but I think I just forgot. But I thought I was gonna get one glue, and that was it. So let me take everything out. Okay. Oh wait, there's something else. Oh, something else, a little extra in here. Cute. So it looks like I got a little bonus silicone nail art tool, which is awesome because I need this. I only have one. So it has the silicone pointed in, and then this like flat kind of end. Excuse my nails, they're toe up. I need to redo them ASAP. Happy New Year's, you guys. Today is the 1st. So happy New Year's to you guys. I hope you guys had a safe and fun New Year's. I enjoyed these. Are the two nail foil glues. It says nail foil glue professional, Burano, my nail my way. They're 15 mLs, and this just has warnings on the back. That's how they look. And it came with, I don't know how many pieces. We'll open it up and see. These are the foils. Let's see. Ooh, so a bunch of beautiful colors, you guys. Look at all of these. Let's see if I can show you guys here. Come on. I'm not sure how many pieces it is. I feel like I read 66 on something, but I don't think, maybe 16. I don't know. I'm not sure. I should have counted as I went, but how pretty are these, you guys? My favorite print. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, these are so pretty, y'all. Oh my god. So there's print. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Hollow. And Here's some solid colors. Ooh. Whoa. Dropping them. So a bunch of fun foils to play with. That is great. Like, I needed this because I had some foil glue and it dried out because I had it for too long and never used it, and I never ordered anymore. So this was like right on time because I have been wanting to try my nail foil since I never have yet. So this was perfect, and I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I have. I don't have many. Let's see if I can find a couple. I don't think I'm gonna find all of them back here, but here's a couple. I've had these for a very long time, you guys, so yeah. So this is one. This one. Strawberry shortcake. And this one's some pretty like hearts and holographic outline. And I also have a Mickey Mouse. Let's see if I can find. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. Okay, here's another one. Hold on. I think this is it. The last two. So here's Mickey. I love Mickey Mouse and Hello Kitty. So cute. And then this one. I think that's all of them. So I have 3, I have 6. I can't even remember where I ordered these. So yeah, I've got 6. So probably gonna add some foil to the my giveaway too. That I have to get that set up and start that soon since I stayed over 1,000 so far. Awesome. So yes, you guys, that is just what I won from Pumpkin's Nail Station. You guys make sure you go check her out here on YouTube and on TikTok. Make sure if you guys are on TikTok, follow me. luvnailsnicole TikTok, okay? So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my giveaway winning video. I'm so super excited. I can't wait to try these out and share them with you guys. Like I said, I've never used them before, so it will be my first go when I do, y'all. But we gonna learn together, okay? All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.